Just got back from the grocery store. Tina and I bought some things. I'm cooking dinner. Got a few beers on deck. It's a pretty beautiful night. We're probably gonna eat dinner here and in the morning go to the beach, but the city looks beautiful right now. Soon it will be New Year's. Tina and I will be celebrating the new year together as a new man and woman of matrimony. So excited. We've done all the hard stuff. Now it's all low impact, just going to enjoy ourselves. That's it. But it can get any better than this. We got some chorizo on deck. We're gonna cook that. Also, I'm basically a pro at making rice in a pot. Look at the flick of the wrist.
3:28 a.m.
Good morning. It is another beautiful day here in Cartagena. Today, Tina and I are gonna go to the beach and just kind of continue relaxing. It's perfect. People tend to like to go to other islands. They say it's like better looking beaches. No, to me, this is perfect. I'm okay with this. I'm a cheap date. So we're gonna go downstairs. We're gonna go to the beach and then after maybe go back up to the apartment, make some breakfast, make some lunch, and then just see what else the day has to offer. But nothing really planned. Just gonna enjoy our time here. We are back from the beach. It's very nice. Little pushy on the vendors, but I mean that's always going to be warranted in this territory. So yeah, great time. Got some color in us, and now we're gonna go get ready for something else. Maybe we'll go get some lunch and dinner. But right now, just hanging out still enjoying ourselves. Tina and I are heading to Gethsemane. It's a new neighborhood that we've been to, and we're gonna just check it out. Let's do some exploring.
I don't know if it's Gethsemane or Gethsemane.
Gethsemane. We are in Gethsemane. What is it? Gethsemane. We're currently in Gethsemane. I don't really know where the hell we are. I didn't even get the Uber, right? He dropped us off in the middle of a road. He's like, "You sure about this, bro?" I was like, "Yep, this is what I wanted. This is where I needed to get dropped off." So we're gonna do some exploring on our own, see what else is around the area. But yeah, it's a pretty chill Sunday, so I'm very happy that not too many people today, but a lot of things are closed too, so that's unfortunate. We'll just see what's around, do our own thing. I'm very happy that we did Cartagena last because other than the beach and like a pool, it's really not much to do. You could get harassed by vendors for a little bit, harassed by freestylers in the old city for a little bit. It's a little bit more expensive, but I mean, I get it. It's safe, it's tropical, it's the Caribbean. It's just like where you want to go after you've done like a bunch of work for the year and just, you know, relax and enjoy your grind. So I understand, but I don't think it was some place that I would recommend going for like an entire trip. Like if you were to do like a week in Cartagena, I don't know what you would do. I really don't. All right, we decided to make our way to the fort, also known as the castle. We don't know too much about it, but we're gonna learn about it by going over there. All right, we made it to the castle. There's a lot of people, a lot of people. The reality of the shot. Oh, never mind. this place looks really cool, but this is the reality of it. We got all these people. It's still a cool place. This is cool for like Instagrammers and trying to get the shots of different things, maybe the city, but it's not a necessary thing you have to go see if you're in Cartagena. It's just a good photo op. This is a sick shot. This is a big ass flag. It's pretty cool for a shot, but as you expect, that's all you're gonna see over there. I got a shot with Tina though, so it was pretty good. Alright, little by little this place is starting to grow on me. I'm trying to find cool stuff like the tunnels. Yeah, you can legit get lost in here. Alright, I changed my perspective on this place. I like it. You should come here. Check it out. You got tunnels and shit. It's a lot of fun. Alright, steeps. Oh, these are steep.
Yeah.
El Diablo. Santa Muerta. So I'm 5'8". On Tinder, I'm 6 foot. And if you're 6 foot, you would not like this place because my head is right there. It's crazy. I also recommend those guys that are telling you to buy water before you get into the entrance to definitely buy at least 1 bottle. It's hot in here. We're heading back. We're gonna try to hit that restaurant that we went to before. See the sunset, get a drink, maybe a little dinner, see what they got to offer. But yeah, this place is cool. I said I didn't recommend it, but after going through it, I recommend it. Sunset's about to happen. Everyone's trying to get their shots in. We're gonna go to the restaurant, get a beer, get some drinks. Ah, beautiful. Tina and I are currently at Cafe de Cerveza. We have some drinks we're gonna eat. That's nice.
Look though, no, I got this one's special. I got a mojito de maracuya.
Cheers. She likes it. Yesterday, not so much. Today, she likes it.
It's got maracuya, that's why.
So what we got coming up? We got fish. Tina got lumo. So we just had dinner at Casa La Cerveza. It was not the greatest, but I mean, we were pretty hungry, and that's the best spice. But yeah, better for just a drink, for the view, when you get food. But also, they have a very good mojito that Tina 100% co-signs on. Right now, we're going to just look at the lights from that park we were at before, and everything looks pretty sick right now. A lot of traffic though, a lot of traffic. All right, the center we were at before is now lit up. Wow. Look at this. There's selfie nation. No gracias, no gracias. Estados Unidos. So this place that was basically a ghost town before is now a very lively place. It's cool, and it's Sunday, so I'm very surprised that they're all out. But this part of town is pretty cool. I like it a lot. We're getting an Uber at this statue where it looks like this guy is butt f***ing this other statue while holding a Christmas tree.
You can't vlog in your vlog. You can't curse in your vlog.
This also looks like butt. All right, we're back in our Airbnb. We just had the most interesting Uber ride with this Chinese guy, Zhang Bao, who basically immigrated here from China but had like a crazy story to go along with it. He has his family here, pretty sure it's a Colombian girl, but he started from Panama, and it's weird because you listen to him speaking Spanish and there's a Chinese accent in his Spanish, so it's crazy. And if that guy could learn Spanish, then I should be able to learn Spanish, so I'm gonna keep on trying. But man, what a crazy time. Also to realize that right now everyone went to that center that we were at, so the traffic was insane. It's gonna be the same thing tomorrow. Like if we're trying to go to Cartagena, like old town, old city, it's gonna be a bad look because by the time we're done, we're drunk, we can't get back to the Airbnb because all the traffic that's gonna be around. So we're probably gonna keep it local instead and just get drunk, ring in the new year together, maybe see if there's any parties on the streets. But yeah, that was a good indicator to maybe not do that tomorrow. So I'm just gonna hang out here. It's been a long day. Thought we were just gonna hang out at the beach, hang out at the pool, but we actually went out and saw a lot of cool stuff. So I'm glad we did that. Gonna relax, maybe stock up on some things at this grocery store. And then after that, just go to sleep, hang out. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out. It's been fun. One more day, and then that's it. Then the honeymoon is over. We gotta go back to reality. So I'm gonna really enjoy the downtime we have right now, because I don't know when we'll see this again in a long time. But so far Colombia has been fantastic to us. So let's get some rest and see you guys in the morning.